Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change country on Brainly. I wonder why you want to know how to change country on Brainly. Maybe because you just have moved out of your current country to another country, so now you want to update that thing on the Brainly app too. Or maybe you're planning to go to a country, so you want to see the content from this country on Brainly app. So you just want to change the country, or there could be any other reason. So whatever the reason could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can change your country on Brainly app. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Brainly app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store and App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Brindley app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options at the top, at the bottom, and another option at the middle of the screen. Right now, we are in the search section where if you want to ask a question, you could do that. But if you want to change a country, for that you what you have to do is that you just have to simply go to a profile. So here you can change your country for any reason of yours. There could be some personal reason, or maybe you just want to see the content from the other country. You could do it, but first you have to go to your profile. So this is the icon of the profile. Once you click on it, you will get here. At the top you will see some of your personal information and then see other options. So from all these options, at the bottom we have this option which says settings. It also has a settings icon with it. Once you tap on it, first you will read your current country, and after that you will see other options. So here we have this first option which says change country. So if you want to change it, just simply click on it, and there you will see different countries that are registered with Brainly. It does not have all the countries from the world, but it has a countries that you could choose. So here you just have to simply search for the country you're looking for, and once you find a country, just simply click on it, and after that you have to click on confirm. Once you tap on confirm, it will log out of your account. Now you have to log in again, so just simply click onto this option which is login. Once you tap on it, it will take you to the login page where you have to log in. So now if you get here, for what you have to do is that you have to use your email address to get back to your account. You can use your email address, Apple ID, Gmail, or any other one. Once you do that, you will get back to your account. So here you can see we have just logged in again. Now just tap on settings, and there you will see the country has been updated and the name of the new country is written at the top of this option, which is Canada. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change your country on Brainly. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.